In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an element to the screen on Wix. Whether you're looking to highlight a call to action button, keep your logo visible as visitors scroll, or create a more dynamic and interactive design, pinning an element to the screen is a great way to enhance your website's functionality and user experience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently pin elements and customize their position to suit your design needs. Let's jump right into it and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix homepage and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top of the page and click on My Sites. This will bring up a list of websites that you've created or are managing. From here, select the website you want to edit. It's important to be sure you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects. After selecting your site, open the Wix website editor. This is where all the design magic happens. You'll see the familiar drag and drop interface, where you can customize virtually every aspect of your website. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't used it recently. Next, locate the specific element you want to pin. This could be an image, a text box, a button, or any other element on your site. Take a look at your design and decide what would benefit from being fixed in place as users scroll. Once you've identified the element, hover over it and right-click. This will bring up a menu with additional options. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Pin to Screen and click on it. This step is what makes the element remain in place as visitors scroll through your site. Once you've pinned the element, you'll notice that additional settings for positioning will appear. Now, it's time to fine-tune the placement of the pinned element. You'll want to adjust the horizontal offset to move the element left or right on the screen. This ensures that the element is aligned exactly where you want it. If the element looks too far to one side, simply drag the slider or input a value to bring it closer to the center or edge. Next, adjust the vertical offset to move the element up or down. This is particularly useful if you want the element to stay at eye level or align with other design elements on the page. Make sure to take your time during this step to get the positioning just right, as it can have a big impact on the overall look and feel of your site. Once you've adjusted both the horizontal and vertical offsets to your liking, it's important to test your changes. Click on the Preview button in the Wix Editor to see how the pinned element behaves. This will give you a live demonstration of how the element stays in place as you scroll through the site. Take this opportunity to scroll through various pages and sections of your site. Check that the pinned element looks good on all screen sizes and doesn't interfere with other content. This is particularly important if your site has lots of dynamic or overlapping elements. If you notice any issues, simply return to the editor and make further adjustments to the offsets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to pin an element to the screen on Wix. By pinning elements strategically, you can improve navigation, emphasize important content, and create a more polished user experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.